What's up guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. This is Maja_KE guys. Thank you so much for the returning subscribers. I really want to bless you, peace and love and positive vibes from Maja_KE guys. Today a beautiful day here in Africa, to be precise, Nyabuhansi village. This is where I live, this is where I was born and raised guys. If you're new here and if you have a friend that is not subscribed to Maja_KE, kindly tell him to subscribe to this channel, because we have amazing things coming. And this is EP2 of the episodes that we started yesterday, and today we are doing it in a different way and from this place guys. As you know, right now in the village is very cold. It's about to rain even right now. As you can see from the weather here, it's about to rain guys. So we want to do this very fast, very quick, but it will be on point guys. So this place I'm doing this video from, this is my grandma's place, and this is where she used to live. And yeah, my grandma and my uncle. From this name, okay, I'm doing it from inside, but this is Koroso. It's upside down because I'm inside. This is Koroso. This is Marwa. This Marwa is our family name. As you can see, even my ID is Marwa. Yeah, so Marwa, Muita, Gesariro. So this is the names of my late uncle. And yeah, this is where my grandma used to live, my late grandma. Unfortunately, she died, but God took him in a good time, because she was aged. She was so aged, but she was very strong. I really miss her, of course, and I really miss my uncle, of course, also. I really want to say so much my uncle, because that guy was down to earth and helping, you know, helping people without like any contradictions or asking further questions, especially when you have like any issue dealing with maybe school fees, and maybe you have issues in your family. You want something like can help you, maybe move you. You know, we have some people here who maybe can go hungry for even a week, even a month guys. I don't really think a month, but a week, yes, a week, yes. So when you come here, when he's around, that is my uncle, my late uncle. Yeah, and I want to say I respect my uncle so much. Yeah, I respect my uncle so much, and the legacy that he left in our village is so good, and the way he raised his own kids, and even us, like he was even raising even us like in a good way, like teaching how to do business, teaching like everything guys. So guys, from this end, this is where I'm going to show you where my grandma and my I don't want to go near guys, because I don't know, I just don't want to go near, but I just want to show you. It's not in a bad way, but this is my grandma, the mother to my mother, and that is my uncle over there, down the this tree. That is my uncle. He passed long time ago, when we were young. So today I came here to do a video because it's a memory. Like I just decided it's a good memory, and of course having also my elder cousin who is here in the village, and we are doing episodes of him, like he came from the US to Kenya, of course to Nairobi, and then to the village. We are going to have questions for him guys, and you guys will help me down the comment sections so that we can get to experience and get to know the next question that we are going to ask him after this second episode of this video. So guys, I want to say thank you so much for you guys who are joining me in my videos and vlogs. I really want to appreciate you so much. So with me here we have also of course the elder brother, that is Leo, who lived in the US for 19 years, guys. 19 good years. And of course he's a nuclear engineer, guys, remember that. So with me here I have Jose Vegas. Jose, come say hi. Yes, yeah, so we have here Jose Vegas. Yeah, say hi, brother.
Yes, guys.
Long time.
Yes. How many weeks? Two weeks. No. Last time I was with you here in the last video.
I think 1 week.
1 week.
Yeah. So guys, this is Jose Vegas, right? Yes, back guys. In the village.
Jose Vegas here with Maja_KE. Yeah. Please guys, kindly, if you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe to Maja_KE, and don't forget to check me out, Jose Vegas. Yeah. I'm here at Nyabohansi village. Maja said that we should come to his grandma. Is it your grandma?
My grandma, yes.
Your grandma's residence. Yeah. And we are here, guys. We are doing some issues here, and right now we are here, guys. Don't miss this story. It's going to be a very amazing story. Yeah. And I'm not alone.
Yes,
we have some guys here.
We have some guys there.
Yes.
But you know, we have like a story. This is like a documentary that we are doing with our elder cousin. Yeah. That is Leo. I know you know him.
Yeah, he's a very good friend of mine.
Yes, of course.
Before even I came to Nyabohansi. Yeah.
Imagine, guys, a very good friend. Yeah. And the documentary is all about his life in the US.
Yes.
I believe you guys saw the video of yesterday. 19 years in the US.
He was in US in 19 years.
19 years.
19 years.
He lived in the US for 19 years.
And now he's back in Kenya.
It's amazing. He was in Nairobi, then he's back here in
he told me he was abroad, but I never knew what was he doing there.
Yeah. So today we are here to ask questions and
after
we get
questions,
answers.
Guys.
Yes.
Yeah. Positive vibes are coming around, guys. Yeah. Don't forget, guys. This is Jose Vegas.
One and one. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to this guy. Amazing guy, guys. Doing amazing content. Kindly subscribe.
Do you know we are moving, guys?
We are moving.
One thing that I really like with the viewers and subscribers, they hit a button. Yeah. Now we are moving to 315 subscribers in 2 months, guys. That's amazing, and I love it, guys. Thank you so much.
Let's push it, guys. So, guys, are you ready to listen to this documentary and good story of our elder brother? Are you ready?
They are ready.
Get a seat.
They never fail us, guys. You know.
Get a seat and relax and get to hear this story, and amazing story of him. Like amazing. So, guys, let's move one and one. Yeah. So guys, I don't know if we should start talking to him. We also have Pope Africa.
Pope Africa is always around.
Yes, always around. Checking.
Yeah. Always around, guy. Pope Africa here. Thank you so much for hosting me. My name is Pope Africa. I'm also a content creator. Kindly go check me out. Pope Africa. Yeah. Don't forget to support Maja_KE. Yeah. Has amazing videos, guys. Today, I want to listen to the episode 2.
Documentary. Yeah, of our bigger cousin. And of course, guys, I told you.
But I think it's episode 2, right?
Episode 2 of this documentary. Okay. So, guys, get a seat, relax, and get to know what is going on. So you guys, let's go and meet our cousin, big cousin that I really respect, full of good words and full of encouragement, full of like ideas, full of amazing guy. Like when you see him, you can really think like he's a Gen Z, but not a Gen Z. Yeah, so it's called Leo. Yeah, Leo, how are you, bro?
Hey, what's up, people? Yes. Thank you, Maja, for having me on your platform.
Yeah, the second time.
I'm happy for him. I'm proud of him. You guys continue supporting him. You know, this is just the beginning of something even bigger. This guy is gonna change a lot of things here in this village. but also the more you guys get to hear what he has to say, I think you guys are gonna like what he has to say.
Yeah.
Shout out to you guys. Keep supporting him, you know, and I'm proud of you, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
I really appreciate you and respect you so much. Yeah, so today is the second day you've been in my channel.
Yes.
And we said this will be documentary.
Yes.
A kind of documentary.
Yes.
We are trying to do. And I just want to ask you a few questions before we just move around our... This is our grandmother's...
Yeah, go ahead,
residence.
shoot.
So
this is still home.
yeah, how long have you how long have you not been here in this, like our grandma's place?
Oh gosh, I think it's been more than a year, maybe closer to a year and a half.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm actually very happy that I'm here now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the reason why I wanted us to do this video here, it's because even me, I always come but like once passing, and I wanted us to have a memory of our grandmother.
You know, grandma left us, but she's still fresh in our mind, fresh in our hearts. You know, but because she's not here, we don't come here that much.
Yeah.
But you have a point. We need to be passing by more often. You know.
Yeah.
Put some flowers.
Yeah, some flowers. By the way, guys, I really think we should come with the flowers some other time,
you know,
so that we can put over there.
Yeah, just because I know she's watching over us.
Yeah.
So shout out, you guys get to share this experience with us. It's been a long time we've been here, but now we're here, all of us together.
Yes.
Although we're here physically, you guys are here with us in spirit.
Yeah.
And we like that and we appreciate that.
Yeah, of course. So guys, we are going to take a walk and take a chat with our big cousin here, our big brother. Have a chat, get to know the stories that he got for us, like it's documentary. Yeah, let's go. Let's have a walk. Yeah, Jose. Yeah, so guys, I think we can pass here because this is the easiest way to the backyard. So guys, this is where our great grandmother and our uncle and our cousins live. So this place is so beautiful, and we used to sit here, remember?
But
Leo.
This place is looking amazing. You know, I usually see it from the outside. I've never come inside here, guys. This place is looking amazing. That means that our the grandma from Maja, she was doing a great hard working.
Amen.
Amen.
Yes,
if you can see all these buildings in those years, imagine, guys.
They are still here standing.
Yeah.
That
That means she was very great. She was very great, and may she rest in peace.
Yes.
Yeah. Today we are here. We want to see the progress that she was doing. And if she was here, what could be doing now?
Yeah, it could be very amazing, especially when our uncle JB was here. This village, I believe me, this village could be a very big, very big
just
transformation.
untimely that he left us so early.
Yeah.
But he was doing big things, man.
Yeah,
big
for sure.
things.
Uncle JB.
Uncle JB,
Yes.
That is John Bosco.
John Bosco. I think if he could be alive, maybe he could be the MP of these.
Even the governor.
I think
Even the governor. He could have been maybe passed it maybe from the MP, governor, senator. Now he could be maybe the minister.
I mean, he was the head of Coca-Cola in this region.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah.
He was the head of the
Coca-Cola company.
Yes.
Yeah.
That was in Kisii.
Yeah,
Kisii Bottlers.
Yes, Kisii Bottlers.
He was
Yeah.
really.
Yeah. So I want to also to say big shout out to you, our cousins also, Pauline, Andrew, Tommy, and everyone, and Cecilia. You guys are so amazing, and may God bless you abundantly. Today we are here. Yeah, we just had memory for our grandma and our uncle. So, Leo, should we go up here?
Take a tour. Let's go and take a tour and see what is up here.
Up here. Just here.
Yeah, we can go up here, but I'm seeing some avocados
Fruits.
already, man.
Yes.
You know,
we can grab one.
You can grab one.
I'm gonna take a couple, man.
Yeah, for sure.
This is this is not GMO avocado.
This is
natural. And you know, this avocado has been here for a very long time. Remember?
Yes.
Very long time.
Before even the grandma passed.
Yeah,
it was
very long time. Years and
so
years.
Maybe even what 15.
Yeah, 15 plus
years. Yeah.
So the grandma passed.
2 years ago. Yeah,
about 2 years. Maybe 18 months, 20 months ago.
Yeah.
Like
exactly.
Seriously?
Yeah.
That is 2020.
It was 2020.
2020, 2021.
Yeah,
so
around there.
It's maybe 2.5 years.
Yeah. And our uncle was 205.
2005. 205.
205.
Oh, the uncle left before the grandma.
Yeah. 205.
Maybe rest in peace.
So you know, we used to sit here and play. You know, when Leo and Kina Andrew, they are inside there. Yes. So me, Maria.
We very naughty when we were at that time. We used to come and play.
Yes.
You know, we never used to listen.
Yeah. Stubborn.
One time, grandma, she was like, "Hey, I'm gonna whoop your asses, you boys."
Yeah.
Huh?
You know, when you go to someone compound and found these, how do you call settlement?
Yeah. Wait. This
is
also
most,
it's
oldest one.
Oldest.
Yeah. It is kind of. It was by that time was digital or analog. Oh,
digital. This was digital.
The first ones,
the first ones.
Now we have DSTVs.
Yeah.
Hey,
Mia.
The new one, the new models.
Fiber.
Yeah. So me, I've seen the mangoes. I'll go for the mangoes while my cousin Leo goes for avocados.
Yes.
Yeah, so maybe we go up and see how this place.
What was going on here?
Yeah.
I think something can reflect on you guys when you come here.
Yeah.
Because it has been a long
time. I reflect a lot of things when I'm here. So you can grab some avocados from here, Leo.
Yeah, on the way down. Yeah.
Yes.
I'll just take a stick and hit like one or two.
Yeah. But even when you stand here, you can.
Oh, I can reach it, huh?
Yeah. You can just take from there.
Like this one, there's so
Yeah.
many. There's so many.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
So many.
Definitely.
Yeah, exactly. So guys, this tree has been here for the longest time.
So this
was
acting as a water tower.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, water tower. But you used to sit here
Okay.
before making stories. And Leo and the big brothers, engineer software.
Even the engineer software. Where is it?
They're
Shout
down
out to
there.
engineer software where you are in Nairobi.
Yes.
Yes, but I was in Nairobi. I didn't remember to call it. Engineer software.
I was to call you and tell you go meet engineer software.
Yeah.
But anyway, guys, let's. Yeah, this is a tank.
Yeah.
Imagine a very big tank.
Man-made tank.
Yeah, man-made. Yeah, cemented and everything.
This one is maybe like, I don't know, many liters.
It's big
Around
ones.
20.
Bigger than even this one.
Yeah, around 20, 40
liters.
40 liters. That tank over
You see
there.
now they are harvesting all waters from here.
Yeah, to
Where
that place.
This tank.
Yeah. So the water goes in. So guys, let's. I really believe you have gotten your seat, and today is the second day of the documentary, as I told you. So I think the first question maybe Jose Vegas will ask, because it's a long time.
It's a long time, guys.
So-
it's a long time, guys.
Yeah.
Me taking the floor, guys, is that
Take it from there.
this is not my first time to know you. I know you. For the first time I remember I knew you. We are discussing some business.
Yes.
But
Which we're still going to continue discussing.
yeah, it's going on. It's a kind of a documentary in business wise, because you have not get the right position where to start from. But you always flick in, you flick out.
Yeah, it's
that's why we have taken a lot of time. Yeah.
You know, but I've been here now for a while, so this time I want to make sure we really sit
conclude.
down. We conclude, and then we get the ball rolling. Let's get this thing to work and to start.
So this home being your grandma's home,
Yes.
that means you're a real son of this village.
Yes, the grandma here, and is a sister to my grandpa, who basically the one who sired my dad. So she's my grandma, yes. I and my grandpa actually sisters, from the same womb. Yeah, so I mean.
So when you are here,
This
you
is
feel
home.
This is home.
This is home.
When you are sitting here, what reflects you in your mind when you are here now?
This brings back a lot of memories, particularly not just grandma, but we can start with Uncle John Bosco.
John Bosco.
You know, from the time I was a little kid, I remember, you know, him and my dad were super close, very close.
Very close friends.
Yeah, and I remember even when throughout his time when he was in the University of Nairobi, you know, you used to...
You were in the University of Nairobi?
No, Uncle John. I went to University of Nairobi too, but at that time I was still a kid. But he was in University of Nairobi. He was doing accounting and I think a Bachelor of Commerce.
Oh, that's why he was employed as a accountant in Kisii Bottlers.
He was a chief accountant, and then he moved on to like management, upper management.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, this guy was a genius. I mean, this guy, he was just smart.
Do you have anybody in the family who we can name? The
all of them are genius.
Yeah, but you see me, I'm waiting.
You know
the time
Maja, are you a genius?
Yeah, you know me. You know me. You know me. You don't know me.
What?
I know you to an extent of some points.
Yes.
But
not genius.
Not genius.
But
prove me wrong. Prove me wrong, guy.
I've already proved you wrong because
I appreciate you. There are some things you do.
Yeah.
Now we gotta put Marge on the spot. It's okay, guys.
Yes. Yeah. We hear.
Guys.
Sorry, I don't want to be the cameraman. Let's be here. On
so I have two cousins here. Either inherit the IQ of the, how do you call them? Genius guys.
The
IQ of
just smart.
Yes, just smart.
Yeah,
that's good, guys.
Yeah,
that's
smart.
So last time I was with you in a certain point. You mentioned about you being abroad.
Yes.
But I never wanted to ask you about that because that is a private, confidential issues.
It's not confidential. I mean, it's just.
By that time,
yeah.
yes, I couldn't ask you.
No, I mean basically, you know, I left Kenya. Okay, I was in the university in the University of Nairobi.
Well, first thing first. Okay. Let me. I just want to add something on top of what you asked. How did you manage? Like, you know, for us, I believe getting a US visa is very hard. Is it true?
United States of America.
No,
it's not.
No.
It's not hard.
It's not hard.
It's not.
You don't want to go there?
You want to go there?
Yes. I wish to go there. Not, you know, I wish to go there.
The thing is that you just have to be honest. You know, because basically when you go in front of these immigration officers or whoever it is that is there, that you know they'll ask you, okay, what's your reason to want to go to the US or go visit the US? Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So most people, they come up with, you know, lies or something, you know, whatever it is, they're not honest, or they might have an honest reason why they're going, but they don't articulate themselves properly, so it comes out like they're just trying to lie. But if you go there, you know, you're honest. Look, you're a businessman.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
What are you going to do?
What you're going to do? Okay, I am a businessman here. You can prove that you're a businessman. Say, okay, I've never been to the US. I want to go on vacation. I'm going on a business trip, or I'm going for a business trip. Searching for, let's say, business contacts for whatever business that you're doing. Now, if you say that, of course, the one thing they'll ask you is, okay, prove that you're a businessman. They want to see, let's say, your bank statement, which is for them is not even really necessary, but they'll still ask for that. They'll ask for your business registration license, things like that. So if you have that, of course
you're qualified.
Yeah, they'll give you the visa. People get visas. Hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people every day across the world they get. But if you go there, you have another reason. You have an ulterior motive why you want to go there. They can easily just, because they're trained. Like, look, listen. People will come and people will lie.
Even look you in the eyes and
you have to assess these people, and you can tell if someone is lying, etc.
So that means there is an interview will go on before you proceed.
Every country you want to go to, okay, not every, but most countries, particularly with these developed countries like the US.
Yes, like me when I was going to South Africa, I was interviewed for at least 1 month.
Yes.
So they ask you this today, you're going to bring.
So they'll tell you, okay, go bring this, then okay, fine, we sort of believe you, but we need more proof, or we need more of this. So they tell you, go bring this.
Yes. Confidential.
If you have it, you'll bring it to them.
Yeah.
they might say, okay, all right, you might need a reference. Excuse me.
Okay.
You might need a reference because you want to prove to us that if you're going there, you're going to come back home.
Yes.
Well, okay. You're married, you have a wife,
Yes.
you have kids or something like to that nature, and that's it. It's not difficult.
How many years were you? How old were you when you are going to?
I went to the US. I was 20. Okay, I was at the university.
After university?
So that I was 23.
23 years.
Yes.
Which year was this?
Oh gosh, I can't remember. I can't remember. But it was in the
So you are-
it was in the 90s.
90s.
Late 90s. Yeah.
Late in 90s.
Yes.
Ah.
I think 98.
What made you to go there? How did you achieve?
I wanted to go study. I wanted to go do aviation.
Yeah.
I wanted to become
Aviation?
Yes, I wanted to become a pilot.
Yeah.
And
So you are genius, you. He's a genius.
I was just
He's a genius.
I just wanted to become a pilot because
Yeah.
ever since I was a kid, I was always fascinated by airplanes and things like
And
that.
you see, guys, let me show you something here. You see an aeroplane here.
Oh, even he has a tattoo for
Yeah.
help.
So
So it was in your blood.
Yeah, so that's what I wanted to go do. So I went and I said, obviously I applied to a school. The school sent me what they call the I-20 form.
I-24.
Yeah.
What it refers to our country here now.
No, I-20 basically is, so I applied to the school, they accept me. They know I'm from a foreign country. So the school sends this form that I will take to the embassy to show that they've accepted me to join the school.
Okay.
So
you
that
went
was
as
it.
a student.
So that's what I went there as a student. Yes.
Okay. It was easy for that.
There wasn't. There were a lot of people who tried to go as students, but they couldn't.
Which
get a
state
visa.
did you arrive?
I went to Arizona. That's where the first place I went to in the US was Arizona.
Arizona, yeah.
The city is called
You
Phoenix.
guys,
You
if
guys
you are
from
from
Arizona.
Arizona, comment down there.
Yes,
Yeah. We have
Yeah.
another Arizona here.
Yes.
Yeah.
And, so
Yes, Arizona. Let's go Diamondbacks. They'll understand.
Diamondbacks.
Diamondbacks.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, we need to
a
visit.
baseball team.
We need to visit.
to try and visit.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, you can visit.
Can you visit? You have friends there that are existing,
A lot of friends.
so they
A lot
can
of friends,
they
yeah.
can accommodate us.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
So
You guys, if you are from Arizona, you are coming there. Diamond Park.
No, Diamondbacks is a
Diamondbacks.
sports team.
It's a sports
No,
team.
the city I was is called Phoenix.
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 Yeah, Phoenix.
Hey, you guys from Phoenix, are you watching me? This is my brother. If you know him and you just recognize him from here, kindly leave a comment there.
Leave a comment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So, how long did you stay there? After
Well,
finishing your education,
Well,
did you start
gosh, I was-
working over
yes,
there?
I finished. I started working.
Yeah.
I started working. Then I decided to go back to school again.
As a pilot?
No, this time I decided to. I wanted to do aerospace engineering.
Aerospace engineering.
Yes. But
Dealing with what?
It's just that's about.
Mechanical engineering?
It's,
In
there's
aeroplane?
something to do with aircrafts, but it's more so like space systems and things
Oh.
like that.
Okay.
But in college, I got an opportunity, which I kind of thought was exciting at that time. You pick like, okay, they give you a choice of three things that you can do. So you choose three things.
Yes.
So I chose aerospace, I chose aeronautical. But then for my third one, I didn't know what to choose. Then there was an option to choose, so I chose nuclear.
Nuclear?
Nuclear engineering, yes.
Nuclear engineering?
Yes. So I was.
This guy is amazing.
No,
you know when you're talking about
Good
nuclear,
stories, guys. As I told you, this is a documentary.
Nuclear
We have a lot,
engineering,
yeah.
guy,
It's
from
a documentary.
aeroplane to nuclear engineering. That's amazing, guy. How did you made it?
Hey,
So
we come from
guys,
Kenya. Trust me.
They can bomb us.
No. It has nothing to do with that.
Yeah, you my guy. Hey, this
No,
one.
listen, it's hard in Kenya. Even the education system here in Kenya is way harder than over there.
Sure.
So, I was in a boarding school. trust me, if I could survive in the boarding school, there's no one else I could survive.
Yeah,
I cannot survive. You couldn't. And I'm not talking about a posh boarding school. I was in the bare-bone boarding school.
Wow.
Samuko Kalenjin land.
Imagine. And you survived, guy.
I survived.
Yeah. So when you went to abroad, it was like, wow,
Yeah, so
that was nice.
It was nice, but the thing was, I was there for years and years and years, and you eventually start missing, family, because I don't have family there.
Yeah.
I mean, I'd gotten married, I had a child.
Here?
But no,
over there.
But
so you married a Mzungu? Or a black?
A white lady, yes.
A white lady.
A Caucasian, yes.
Shout out.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's another story.
Yes, let's not go for it.
Yeah. So you miss home. You miss home. You miss your
everyone.
brothers, you miss your
cousins.
You miss your friends.
Oh,
you know that are still back here. There's just this one thing. It's like a sense of like, okay.
Do we call it homesick?
It's homesick.
Homesick. Yes. It's our homesick.
So after many years, I finally decided no.
You wish to come home back.
I came for a visit. And then I was like, no, I cannot stay there anymore.
So after you came back for a visit, you didn't want to go back?
No, I mean, I went back, but already my mind was made up.
Yeah, okay.
I have to come back home.
Okay. Yeah. So, I'm interested with this nuclear issue.
No, it's just an engineering. It deals with power, energy.
Yeah.
So it's not
No chemicals inside there?
Well, there's chemicals. Chemicals are involved.
Sure.
Yeah.
I heard we have one of the, is it a chemical or what? We have one, how do you call it? The one is being used it is the major product that is being used in nuclear. How do we call it?
No, it's not a chemical.
How do
it's uranium.
Uranium, yeah. It's a uranium. Yeah.
Uranium is not a chemical. It's actually it's a substance.
The substance.
But it's very reactive, very radioactive.
It's a reagent.
So yeah. So but then they take it, and then it's changed to there's uranium, what they call uranium 235. Then but mostly in the nuclear plants, let's say, they normally use uranium 238, which then it goes through a process where it will eventually goes to uranium 235, and then some other things. And then maybe one of the byproducts could be like plutonium, but very small quantities of it.
Is that chemistry or physics?
No, you basically you have to know everything.
Chemistry and physics. Yeah. It's combining. When I was in Tanzania, in a place nearly to Songea, I once did a research with one of the big company from Britain. It's called BG, British Gas.
Yes.
I was one of the guys, the local guys. I worked with them. Yeah. We went in a far end, in a place called nearly to Songea.
Yes.
This guy, they say that there is a nuclear or not a nuclear, uranium.
Yeah.
There is a uranium substances there.
Yes.
But they say that Tanzania, it's not in a position, it's not in a financial status
to mine
that.
Whoa. Yes.
What is the impact? What is the impact of
that?
Uranium?
Means it's very
corrosive. It's kind of corrosive.
No, it's no. The thing is, it's okay. You can mine it. Okay, you can mine, but you see, it becomes very expensive to mine it because it's not just mining. You get it like, let's say it looks like
it's different. Like
let's say it looks like that rock over there.
Yeah, like maybe that one. Let's say we assume now.
But then it has, but it's not just on its own. There's also other impurities. There's other elements
inside it.
So in order to refine it and etc. But it's very controlled. You have to understand it's a very controlled process because you can use that also for military applications, as you said, creating like a nuclear weapon.
Okay.
So it's very controlled. They want to make sure that the countries that, let's say, have it, Africa has a lot of it. Like I think in Niger, in West Africa, they have it. But the people who are normally mining it are the French.
Because they are they are capable.
they're capable, but they also don't want it to fall into the hands of the wrong people.
Because they can do something.
If anyone could just come and mine it, then you might also have terrorists, because they also have money.
Yes.
They can come and set up shop, mine, but they're not using it for the peaceful application it's supposed to be used for. So they might try to weaponize it. So that's why. Even in Kenya they have it. I'm sure if you go towards the northern part of Kenya, they have it.
So between uranium and gold and diamond, which one is most expensive in terms of in the market, in the world market?
I'll probably say diamonds.
Diamond.
Probably say diamonds are quite expensive.
Yes.
Gold is also very expensive.
Yes.
Uranium, I wouldn't say it's that expensive.
Oh, okay. Wanted to know that. When you have a big brother,
you have to ask questions.
Just because he mines gold.
Yes,
he wants to make sure his pockets are going to stay okay.
Yeah.
No,
maybe I can switch.
Gold will never lose value.
Yeah, of course, yes. Like right now, 1 gram of gold is 85.3 USD dollars.
Yes.
That is 11,300 Kenyan shillings.
But that's here.
In this local market we have here.
Once it gets there.
Where? I want to go there.
No. Let's say like a lot of the gold will go from Africa. Probably goes
to Dubai.
To Dubai or India. Actually, India is the biggest buyer, I think, of gold in the world.
India?
Yes.
Not Canada.
No, India. But because the culture. Just like
the culture, like
Dubai. The reason why they like gold is because gold it's from years and years ago.
Yeah.
From the culture, gold is
jewelry.
For jewelry. Yeah. It's something that the culture has embraced. Everyone has to have gold. Particularly if you're a lady.
Yes.
You have to have gold.
Yes.
Here there's gold, but you don't see people wearing gold.
Yeah.
Except my friend here, he has a gold tooth.
Behind the camera, we have the guy. You can introduce yourself, guys. At least I mean it.
Yeah. Hello, guys. My name is Sintake Junior.
Yes.
Something good is coming soon, so stay tuned.
Yeah.
Sintake Junior.
Yeah.
Yes. So gold. I think gold is the most precious whatever we have in the world.
Most precious,
And that is what I'm dealing with in my village. Me, I'm playing with them like this whenever I get them.
But you don't bring even one man at least.
I gave you one to touch.
Your cousin, take this.
Yes.
No, it's better. Better if someone is good for
but
you.
But anyway, guys, he has a very good promise for me.
Yes.
It's just for me to say, now I'm ready.
And a good fisherman, a good fisherman, he don't give you a fish.
Yes.
He gives you
how to fish.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's what I
teaching me how to fish.
But I promise that when our good brother comes from Argentina, that is Mr. Ayamara, when he'll come back from Argentina, I'm preparing a gold. Maybe it will be 10 grams. 5 grams for him, 5 grams for Rocio.
Okay.
And they can make a ring.
Yes.
That is the best gift I can give to him. Yes.
So guys, imagine.
I've not even told him.
I know he's going to watch this video.
The video.
You might come back from Argentina sooner.
Yes. The surprise is now not surprise again.
Now it's not a surprise.
Now it's you spoiled.
You will test. If you have a testing machine, you will test. He tested last time diamonds. Today we are having a big brother in the village, a very respectful brother we have, very humble guy we have here. We are trying to learn 1, 2, 3 things. Maybe one day we'll fly to USA,
and also learning more of business and more of advices from him, and getting to know what is a life goal for us also, this young generation. And it's a documentary. It's not ending today, it's not ending now. It will be a very long story, because I believe, brother, you have a long story.
Too long.
too long. Yeah, so we have episodes. So this is only episode 2, guys. What are you waiting?
So because
keep subscribing and watching these videos.
Maja, because our brother here has been out for long, and we have some issues. We are doing farming, we are doing mining, we are doing business. What can we do? How can you help us maybe to expose ourselves, maybe our business international? Like maybe
I think right now it's so much easier than it was like years and years ago, because obviously now with the advent of the internet, you know, connectivity has become much easier. I mean, now it's like it's a global village now.
Yeah.
You can connect with anyone anywhere in the world. Okay. You just have to put yourself out there, put your product out there. You know, you'll get people that will reach out to you. So long as you're a genuine person,
genuine, honest.
Yeah. Also, the people who are reaching out to you, some might not be genuine. You also should be able to vet those people, know that okay, but they'll reach out. So, like even in terms of your business, as right now you're starting, there are platforms out there you can actually connect with buyers, and you know a lot of these buyers, particularly the ones that come to buy, let's say gold here in Kenya, or they don't reach this area,
local areas.
So they come to Nairobi and then they meet these people who show them they show them that they have this gold. They show them even gold bars that are basically gold plated. So many people have been conned, you know, because you know they take them and show them fake refineries.
Yes, that's the problem.
So it's such an intricate con that these people believe, and then they spend so much money only to find what they bought was whatever. And once that money is in the hands of these people, the money is these people are gone. You never find it.
Okay.
But if I want water, I will not go to the desert to look for water.
No.
I'll go to a lake, I'll go to a river, or I'll go to the ocean. So these people want to buy gold. My advice is go where the gold is, where it's found. You know, the people here who are making an honest living like you, that basically you can supply them with what they want when they want, because the product is there. They will see how it's done. You know, they will see from the time it's the ore to the finished product.
Yes, you see, like in my videos, I usually do it from the underground, from the gold ores.
Yes.
I took this guy down there, almost 70 feet. He was sweating.
Yes.
Yeah, I switched off the torch, the lights, and they
You can see even up, guys.
So you see, like me, I'm doing the mining locally.
Yes.
And sometimes when the rents are too high, rent this one, I have to stop because I don't have an adequate equipment.
Yes.
So if someone maybe is watching this video, maybe is interesting, he can join.
There'll be someone who's interested.
He can join. He supplies the machines.
He supplies the machine. Like when it's raining, the ones for pumping the water out of the mine shafts.
We need some air compressors for
for
drilling.
Exactly.
Yeah. So we can give some percentage. I think if someone is chipping in, I can give him some percentage, because now he will be. You know when he came in, he will be the big investor.
Exactly.
You can give him some percentage.
And that's the thing. And that's why. So as you said, how do you go? Since right now the way everything is set in the world, this is one global village. Everything is interconnected. You take the time. There are actually platforms that I can actually also share with you, that you can see the people actually looking to buy gold.
Sure.
They advertise and say, we're looking for this, looking for someone who can supply this. But those platforms are not from here. They're normally, like, let's say, as I said, like from Dubai, or India,
Arabic,
or even from like Europe,
UK,
you know, or even if it's farming, before, let's say, 1 acre of land would, let's say, give you, let's say, a certain amount of, let's say, produce, right? But there's so many modern farming techniques that same acre of land might give you what you'd have normally been doing using 4 acres of land.
Yes.
There's better seeds, better seeds,
Utilize.
better training, which basically some of these trainings are like a day.
Yes.
My brother now, okay, from the farm, he's doing whatever, but he decided, like he said, you know what, I want to do honey. But I don't know this beekeeping, I don't know how to do it. So he went for a training for just one day. Then he bought the hives. He has about maybe 20 hives now.
And he's harvesting now honey.
Oh my goodness, there's so much honey until I'm sick of honey.
Yeah? Sure?
Yeah.
There is so much.
I need to buy 4 liters.
5 liters.
Look, if you want to buy from him,
Yeah.
go
5
to
liters.
him. Yeah, it's there.
Okay.
Even
like
my mom doesn't use like sugar.
Yeah. Yes.
Honey.
And
So you can cook, you can make a tea with the honey?
No, you just make normal tea without sugar.
And then you put even my mom doesn't use sugar.
I like it when you're applying it in the bread.
Yeah,
Yes,
my mom
very
doesn't use sugar. She uses honey, has her sugar, and it gives the tea a different taste from sugar. Because this sugar is refined. It's not even healthy. That's why there's so many such cases of like people getting high blood pressure, obesity, But honey is natural.
Yes. So back to Nyabo Hansen.
Yes.
After all these exposures,
what I think that will be our next story. Our next documentary.
Let's not say everything now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you guys.
We really want you guys to get stories.
I like learning. That's why I like
But
learning.
now, you've been asking me so many questions.
Yes.
No, you ask him questions because we also want to hear from him.
That will be next.
Oh, that will be for next time.
The next video.
Yes.
Okay.
Joseph Vegas.
And I'll be there. I'll be having some tough questions.
Yes, no
The
problem.
next will be.
I hope you are here now.
I'll
Don't
be
sneak
here.
out again.
I'll be here. No, I'm here. I'll be here.
Yeah. So guys, it was amazing conversation with our big brother here, that is Leo, and it's a documentary that we are trying to give you stories, which kind of his life and also our lives.
Yes.
Part of our small life here in the village, and the life of Leo and the experiences that he has gone through, and we have really gotten answers from him.
Yes.
That is the second documentary from Maj_KE, and we have more coming. We have more.
It gets
and
better.
Yeah,
It will get better, more exciting, more info.
Yeah, more info. And also, what have you learned from this documentary of today?
Being honest and kind, you go far.
Exactly.
Yes.
That was also what I learned. Being honest and kind.
Honesty pays.
Honest pays.
Yes. Yeah. So that is what I have learned from this documentary of today, from our brother Leo here, our big brother.
Yes.
I really respect you, bro.
We
Peace.
salute.
That's what's up.
Peace and love.
Yes, guys.
Yes. Joseph Vegas. Kindly subscribe to this guy.
One and
Subscribe
one.
to Pope Africa, and someone is coming very soon.
Yes.
You guys keep on watching him. He will be also with me so much. So kindly support if you're from my end. So guys, this marks the end of our documentary today. Peace, love, and positive vibes from the village Buga. We are back, and we are not joking. We are back with documentaries.
Yes.
And good vibes and good things and good advices from people who have experience, guys. Until our next video, this is Maj_KE.
Bye.
Peace.